Alright, so here I am on the driver's side. And that's an aftermarket seal as well. It's not as goopy, but it's very filthy. So, and it looks like it was just beaten in there at random. So I'm gonna continue. Well, that was easy. Alright, so I'm gonna continue cleaning that out. I have worked on cleaning passenger side out. We're almost done. I gotta get that up there, and then I gotta get in there and get all the schmutz out and the schmegma. The schmegma out of the axle tube. Hopefully our new seals will show up here any minute, and then we'll be ready to rock. Alright, so the register where the seal actually sits is now clean, and it's completely smooth. It's very, very nice. So there was no reason for anybody to do any silicone hacky work here. But that's ready to go. Alright, I've begun wiping this side out. I'm going to go in here with the wire brush, get this clean, but it looks like the register where the seal sits is actually nice on this side too.